Welcome, it's Denson Do It On. Today we're going to show you Pumpkinhead / Lifeless Lane.
Now this is a home haunt that's near and dear to both Son and myself because not only is it very local to us, it's also put on by a great owner and it has evolved immensely over the years. He continues to add, elevate, and change it up so it's new and unique every season.
Join the celebration of fools and creepy creatures alike as we raise a toast to the spookiest season of them all.
A lot of the pieces here, from the fencing to the columns to the light posts, are all custom. So it really adds a unique flair that you can't see anywhere else. But one of the additions that was added in the past couple seasons is this middle walkway to allow you to get in and see more detail inside the yard.
So this area just has so much packed into one thing, which it has many tiny sections, which I love about it. It is absolutely crazy and awesome.
Let us know in the comments if any of these sections or props stand out to you. We'd love to hear what your favorite is and how many home haunts you go to a year. Make sure you stick around to the end because there is so much to see and you don't want to miss any of it. This is another great example of how this haunt is broken up into sections and has its own themes. So this is the witch area, which continues all the way up to the doorstep.
If you got this far in the video, put a pumpkin emoji and a head emoji, and if you really want to, put Pumpkinhead too.
After 3 sites, I've got to hit a winner. 3rd time's the charm. No harm, no foul. Finally, now tell me which grade has the best moves.
How is my little darling this Halloween night? Let me sing you a lullaby. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't see you a diamond ring, and if that diamond ring is cracked, Papa's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if
After you transition to the other side of the driveway, you're greeted by the Kraken and the pirate setup. This is awesome, but please know this gentleman had to walk the plank because he didn't hit the like and subscribe button. So be sure to do that so you don't have to walk the plank. Now, if you do happen to visit, not only will you have a blast, but don't forget to walk through the pumpkin archway. This will take you to the section where this haunt gets its namesake, at least what we've decided to call this home haunt.
Step on up to the bar. Cost you your soul to close your tab.
And there he is, right there, Pumpkinhead. This used to be the anchor in the front instead of the Reaper, and for years, this is why Son and I called this Pumpkinhead Home Haunt. We absolutely love this guy, and it's huge benefit for us to see him every year. Puts a smile on our face every time. Now stick around and don't sail off anywhere, because we're going to show you a sneak peek preview of Santa's Village, Santa's Haunted House. This is just a preview to let you know if you love Halloween, you love seasonal, you love holidays, you found the right channel. So if you haven't done it yet and you made it this far, hit that like, hit the subscribe, turn on notifications, because we go live all the time and you can become part of the Dad and Son community.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please liking, subscribing, and turn on notifications. Take care and have a great day.